In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Firefox onto your computer using your preferred web browser. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using Google Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you're comfortable with. This guide is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow, ensuring you can smoothly carry out each step. Let's start by heading over to your preferred browser. Open it up. We'll use Google Chrome here. Now, once you have your browser up and running, locate the search bar at the top of your screen. This is where you can enter any query you might have for the web. In this case, we're going to type "Download Firefox" into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. With Google's efficient search capabilities, you'll quickly be directed to a list of results. At the top of the search results, you should see a link that reads "Get Firefox for Desktop" from the official website, mozilla.org. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you directly to the Mozilla Firefox official download page, where you can safely download the browser. Once the page loads, you'll see an option labeled Download Firefox. This is typically front and center on the web page, making it easy to spot. Click on this button and your download should start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this download might take a few moments, so feel free to sit back as your computer does the work. As soon as the download is complete, you'll want to find the Firefox installer file on your computer. This might appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your computer's Downloads folder. Click on the installer to open it. You might encounter a prompt asking for your permission to make changes to your system. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed. The installation process will guide you through several prompts. Take a moment to read each one to ensure you're aware of the installation settings and then simply follow along. The steps are intuitive and will lead you through the rest of the installation process. When you're ready, you'll encounter an Install button. Click on it to begin installing Firefox onto your computer. This part of the process might take a few minutes, during which Firefox will be setting everything up on your machine. And there you have it. Once the installation is complete, you're all done. Firefox should now be installed on your computer, ready for you to explore the web with a new and different browsing experience. With its user-friendly interface and customizable options, Firefox offers a variety of features that enhance your browsing experience. Thanks for watching and following along. Happy browsing!